Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please subscribe to my channel. Please, I'm begging. Okay, are you in a serious relationship or married? This message is for you. I'm going to share some 5 important things you're supposed to know as someone that is in a serious relationship or married. Okay, and number one thing is communication. If you want a better marriage, a peaceful marriage, a peaceful relationship, then you guys need to communicate better. Yes, communication helps a lot in a relationship and then in marriage. So, if you people are planning to marry, that's for those that are in serious relationship, you are planning to marry, but you don't communicate daily, there is a problem, a very, very big problem. You have to stop it immediately. Communicate daily. If at all, communicate morning, afternoon, and night. Most especially when you guys are not staying together. Please, communication matters a lot in a relationship, in marriage. Yes, communication. Then number two is trust. Trust is something that takes time. Yes, it does not occur immediately, but communication helps trust to occur. Yes, when you communicate daily, it helps you know the kind of person you are dealing with. Communication will help you know when your partner is lying. Yes, if you communicate daily, believe me, when that person is lying, you will know. Yes, then it will help you to trust the person. Okay, so trust matters a lot in a relationship. And communication brings that trust. So, if you're in serious relationship, you need to trust your partner. If you don't trust your partner, it will affect you. Your man, your woman, or your husband, or your boyfriend, maybe he want to get something outside. You start thinking maybe he want to go and see another woman, or your wife want to go and see another man, because there is no trust. Trust matters a lot, and then communication helps both of you to build that trust. When you don't communicate, when you don't come close to somebody, maybe you find it difficult to trust that person. So trust matters a lot. It will even help your mental health when you are in serious relationship. It will help your mind to be at peace. Then the third one is respect for each other. Yes. If you cannot respect your partner when you guys are in serious relationship, do you think you will respect him or her when you people finally get married? No, it's not possible. It's not possible. So respecting each other matters a lot. For instance, maybe your wife is not doing anything and you are the only one providing. Maybe it makes you to look down on her. You get, maybe you go outside, cheat on her, and then you feel like it's your right. After all, you are the one giving her everything. She don't need to complain. Let me tell you, any man that is cheating on her wife or girlfriend, that man will never respect you. Yes, respect matters a lot. Likewise, women, if you are cheating on your man, let me tell you, you can never respect that man. Respect matters a lot in a relationship. And then conflict. Most of the time when you watch all these couples that create content, it look as if everything is normal, everything is okay, they are perfect, they don't quarrel and all that. Let me tell you, behind the scene, they quarrel. Yes, but being able to settle the matter matters a lot. So, when you are in serious relationship, you both of you people need to come together and learn how to settle your problems, your quarrels. Yes, conflict must occur. Yes, there must be. There are days like that, but being able to settle the problem is the main thing. After all, sometimes you and your sibling, you people can just have some misunderstanding. Yes, misunderstanding used to occur among siblings, but before you know it, they will settle and then be united again. So it happens in marriage. No marriage is perfect. So do not involve third party in your marriage. Third party is your mother. Maybe you have issue with your husband, you start calling your mom or your friend or your sister, likewise the men too. No, both of you should come together and solve the problem. Don't blame each other. Just solve that main problem. Okay? Together, in unity, in love, understanding. Yes, nobody is perfect. Nobody is perfect. You need to know that one. Don't, maybe during relationship, you expect your wife to be 100%, no mistake. Then when you now finally get married to her, you start seeing another, to be like, so this is what I married. Nobody is perfect. Bear that in mind. Children, childbearing can change a woman. Environmental factors, problems, a lot of things can change, even a man too. So do not make your expectation to be high. No. If you do it in serious relationship, when you finally get married, let me tell you, it affects both of you. So what am I saying? There must be conflict. Yes, sometimes you want to cook egusi soup. Your husband said he want ora soup. You see, disagreement will start. But being able to settle it is the main thing. So these are the things you need to know when you are in serious relationship, because serious relationship leads to marriage. Okay, so it's as if you people are preparing yourself for marriage. So you need to learn how to settle your problems together without involving third party. It's very, very important. Then sharing you people goals, sharing goals together, your future plans and all that. Discussing. Even those that are in marriage, most of the time, maybe your husband will go out in the morning, he will come back, eat, take shower, go to bed. Tomorrow morning he will go again. There is no time for you people to talk as couple or as husband and wife. No time to discuss. No time to stay together. It's very, very bad oh. Create time. Maybe as a woman, if you are working, make sure you come back on time. Do the little things you can do. Take care of your kids and then rush to your husband. Discuss one or two. Yeah. Share your plans together, your goals, if both the present one and the future ones together. Yes, most of the times you can plan something, it may not go exactly the way you want, but at least that talks alone, that discussion alone bring both of you together. Okay, so sharing goals together, your plans, your dreams, it matters a lot, and it starts during relationship. If you don't do it, what are you not going to do in marriage when stress starts coming? When children start disturbing you, if you cannot do it when both of you are, when it's just you and your man or you and your woman, is it when billings or when third party? Children sometimes I call them third party because they can distract a lot. Yes, they can even change your plans. So you start it during relationship, and then even when you finally get married, continue that way. You see, your home will be a peaceful home, a lovely home. So these are the 5 things or 5 advice I'm giving to those that are in serious relationship, preparing to get married, or those that are married too. Is very, very important. Communication, trust, respect, and being able to settle conflict, and then sharing goals together, plans, things that help or things that can help the family to grow, things that can help the family to be at peace. Okay, so these are the things I'll be saying today. Please, if you are in serious relationship or if you are married and there is no communication between you guys, please start it today. Communication helps a lot. Trust helps a lot. Respect, and then being able to settle quarrel. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.